class we are doing addition reactions. So addition reactions, net types, addition reactions. Remember, alkenes, when unsaturated compounds undergo addition reaction. So addition reaction, the double bond breaks because we added something. So we add the atoms. Then the double bond breaks to form alkanes, alcohols, haloalkanes. So yeah, depend on why don't let's see it there. But the compound that is formed there when the product is unsaturated, sorry. So addition reaction, the compound that react is unsaturated, then the product that is formed is saturated. So we have types of addition. Then the first addition reaction is hydrogenation, which means we add hydrogen. Is halogenation, which means we add a halogen to an alkene. So we also have that is hydrogen halogenation, which means we add hydrogen and halogen to an alkene. Then we have hydration, which means we add water to an alkene. So the products, so when you add hydrogen you get alkane, when you add halogen you get haloalkane, when you add hydrohalogenation you get haloalkane, but when we add water we're going to get the alcohol. There are conditions with addition reaction. So for hydrohalogenation to take place, we need a catalyst, that is platinum nickel Pb. So for halogenation, so the condition you have to use unreactive solvent. Then hydrohalogenation, so unreactive solvent because there is halogen there, and also make sure that there is no water. We also apply the rule that is called Markovnikov's rule. So the Markovnikov's rule iyacacisa uba njengoba sinabani apha, umzekelo sino H nobani no Br. U-H uzoyaphi, u-Br ayephi xa edwa so xa edwa u-H uya kule carbon no-H abaninzi, u-Br aye kule carbon no-H abambalwa kuyo yonke into that is the Markovnikov's rule. So with hydration we use a diluted sulfuric acid as well as the rule of Markovnikov. So izosebenza ithini, njengoba sino OA sino water, that is water na water wethu. So water uno OH aphinda abe nabani, abe no H. So H according to Markovnikov's rule uzoya ku H ku carbon no H abaninzi, that is hydrogen lo one. So let's have example before we go straight to the questions. I will have examples of how the Markovnikov's rule apply. Then sitsho ngosiye ku questions zizonke. We have maybe this compound propene. This is a propene and izobala. This is a propene. Then this propene reacts no HBr. Then sibone product ezophuma. So we are going to write a major product, which means we are going to follow the Markovnikov's rule to get a major product. So xa isenzeke ngule reaction, the double bond breaks, which means we have 1, 2, 3. asena double bond, ibreakile double bond, i-double bond ibreakile pha. Alright, then sishiye ke sine space, esi space nesi space. So esi space esinye sesika H, esinye sesika Br. Then according to Markovnikov's rule, H will go straight to a carbon with more hydrogen atoms, but ayizukwazi uza lapha. There are more hydrogen atoms here. There are 3. This one seyigcwele so awuzungenanto. So kwezi zoyi-2 yeyiphi na more yile, which means H uzozohlala pha. So sifike sibhale pha hydrogen there. That is the major product uBr simfake la. So sitsho sibe nale compound ke ngoku ngu 2 bromo propane. Then we're done with that one. So let's say if we add water again, what will happen if we add water? We add water, so what will happen? Plus add water. Remember, plus add water, the type of reaction is hydration. So we add water, that is H2O. Remember, there is H, there is also OH there. So OH uzoyaphi? Akazungena kuleyo kuqala icarbon because ina more hydrogen. Sebephelelo hydrogen up. There is no space. Nasi space, nasi esinye space. So H uzoya apho kukho OH abaninzi, which means bangapha 1, 2. So uzofika abe ngowesithathu H pha. Then we have OH here. That is the hydration reaction. Okay, hydration reaction. So let's name that compound. So class name la compound. Sorry for that. Class name la compound. What is happening here? Sorry. So class name again ngokuleni compound. Ikunumber bani, i-functional group, carbon number 2. So carbon number 2, which means we have propan dash 2 all. So basically layer compound there. That is a major product. Lo H uze lapha nxa bakho H abayi 2, but OH yena ufana wazohlala pha ukugcwalisa. Let's quickly go to the questions. In the term addition reaction. So addition reaction is the reaction of unsaturated hydrocarbons with some atoms. So it's when atoms are added to alkenes, that is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Then they say explain why alkenes undergo addition more easily than alkanes. First of all, we need to understand that alkenes, they have a double bond between carbon atoms. Then alkanes, they have a single bond. So when addition reaction is pha, the double bond pha kwi-alkenes which are unsaturated iyabreaka to form a saturated compound. That is why kulula ke ngokuba i-alkenes zi-undergo addition, ilento i-alkanes kube nzima kuzo. Alright, then name 2 reagents that can be added to an alkene in addition. Name 2 reagents that can be added to an alkene. We can add hydrogen. We can add hydrogen to an alkene. We can add H2O to an alkene. We can add HBr to an alkene. Njalo njalo. So zininzi. So they say 2. So we can write any 2. We can even add halogen, any halogen to an alkene. in addition. So the first addition reaction is hydrogenation, the second is hydration, then the other one is hydrohalogenation, then we also have halogenation. Now let's quickly go to question 1.2. Question 1.2, ethene reacts with bromine. Ethene is 1, 2, reacts with bromine. Okay, reacts with bromine, Br2. So lena reaction iyenziwa practical yayo when we test the compound uba is saturated or unsaturated, where the color of a bromine will change from brown to colorless. When you add change color yakhe from brown to colorless. So Br woqala uzozala, owesibini eze lapho Br, then we get a compound eno Br by 2. We get a compound eno Br by 2. Nansi ale compound. So if question yokuqala ithi write down a balanced chemical equation, nansi ya chemical equation to this product. Esbini state the color change. Okay, so I said if bromine reactor ne unsaturated compound or saturated, to test uba the compound is saturated okanye unsaturated. When reactor with land unsaturated compound, color yayo iyachange, ichange from brownish, from brown to colorless. So that is what the color change eyenzekayo pha. So color ye bromine water iyachange from brown to colorless. So must understand alone. Explain why bromine water becomes colorless when added to ethene. So izoba colorless kuba kutheni? Number 1, izo undergo addition pha, which means izofika break the double bond. Izofika break double bond. That is the first thing that we need to understand. Number 2, izo reactor yonke completely. That is why izoba colorless. Izo reactor completely pha. Then sifumane ke ngoyi-haloalkane. Sifumane haloalkane. That is why the bromine water becomes colorless. Xa i-reactor nala alkene okanye unsaturated. Let's go to another question, which is question 1.3. They say propene reacts with hydrogen. So let's do the reaction. Propene, 1, 2, 3. That is a propene with the 3 carbon atoms. That is a propene. Then a propene reacts with hydrogen, that is H2. H2. So we are going to get a compound. Remember, in addition the double bond breaks. 1, 2, 3. The double bond breaks. So u-H wokuqala uzoza lapho, wesibini aze lapha, sitsho sibe no-propane. Sibe nale compound sibizwa ngoba yi-propane. Right? So then the catalyst that is used there is a platinum, or you can use a nickel, or you can use a lead. Write down a balanced equation. This is the balanced equation. Name the catalyst, PT. State the type of addition. We added hydrogen there, which means this is hydrogen that is added, hydrogen. So the reaction will be hydrogenation. Hydrogenation. Let's quickly go to another question. Ethene reacts with steam. Steam, water vapor, that is H2O gas. Ethene, 1, 2. There are 2 carbon atoms. 2 carbon atoms reacts with a steam. Steam, water vapor, which means H2O. Remember, when you add water, you also need a diluted sulfuric acid. Diluted sulfuric acid. So there is OH here and H. So H is a lab, OH has a lab, the double bond breaks, then we get ethanol. So base nalo H, nalo H, nalonu H, nalonu H, then sifake H lapha, sifake OH here. That is a double bond, ibreakile. Then we get the alcohol. So name the organic product. Name the organic product. This is the product. So the name of this product is ethanol, because there are 2 carbon atoms. Ethanol. State 1 industrial condition. A diluted sulfuric acid is used here. Let's quickly go to another question. In this question, they say propene reacts with hydrogen bromide. So we can quickly draw the structure. 1, 2, 3 propene with the 3 carbon atoms. So they say reacts with HBr. So the reaction condition here, we said no water must be present. There must be no water around. So the double bond will break. 1, 2, 3, no double bond now. By 3 hydrogen upper. Then spin of hydrogen here, spin of hydrogen here. Remember, the Markovnikov's rule apply. U-H lower uzoyapho ku-H abaninzi, which means uzozala. Then upper sino Br. So why u-H angezi lapha seyigcwele ne-carbon ngo-H. So le ino-H oyi-1, le ino-H abayi-2. H according to Markovnikov's rule uyakulapho ku-H abaninzi. Then we're done with that one. Then the first question say draw a structural formula of propene. This is the structural formula of propene. Write down the structural formula and the IUPAC name of the major product. This is the major product. So this is carbon 1, 2, 3. So it's 2-bromo propane. Then we're done. Write down the structural formula and the IUPAC name of the minor product. So a minor product, product engam-obey uMarkovnikov's rule. So njengoba u-Br simbeke lapha, so for a minor product u-Br uzoba lapha ekuqaleni, that is a minor product. Ayihambi noMarkovnikov's rule, which means ke ngoku apha izoba ngu-1 bromo propane. 1 bromo propane. That is the minor product. Now let's quickly go through this question. Explain why major product is formed in a greater amount than major product. So kufomisheka I major product, because uMarkovnikov's rule uyatsho phawa H go straight, so yona yenzeka lula, uya straight up ko hydrogen abaninzi. So leyo lento I-reaction I-fast than I-minor product leka Markovnikov's rule. Now let's quickly go to 1.6. That is the last question. 1.6. Butane 1, But 1 in reacts with hydrogen chloride. Let's quickly do the reaction. But means 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 carbon atoms. So carbon yokuqala, there is a double bond. So let me put it here. So there is a double bond there. so sitsho sigcwalise ke ngoku hydrogen bethu but 1 in. So they say but 1 in reacts with HCl plus HCl. Then we'll get, remember nalapha no water must be present. So when the addition reaction takes place, the double bond breaks. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The double bond breaks. Yeah, break here, a double bond. Then no H-beta. Then Markovnikov's rule apply again here. The Markovnikov's rule applies again. So H law will go straight to a carbon with more H. What about this one? In a more H but igcwele in a carbon, there is no space. Even this one, there is no space. So we have a space here and here. So H will go straight to a carbon with more H. So we have 1, 2. So we can put H here. Then Cl will be here. That is the reaction here. Write down a balanced chemical equation for the reaction. This is the one. State whether the product formed is saturated or unsaturated. Let's check. So this compound, this product contains only the single bond between carbon atoms, or we can say there are no multiple bonds between carbon atoms, which means this product is a saturated product, this one. Then so in the next video we'll be doing elimination reaction.